Hi everyone, Said at Are You Cars. This is our 2014 Citroen DS4. It's a D-Style model. It's the 2-litre HDI, 6-wheel automatic, 160 horsepower model. It's finished in Burasque blue. It's got the black and white interior and it's in absolutely fantastic condition. 42,000 miles, 5 services. Really nice spec. It's got the 18-inch D-Style wheels, got 4 brand spanking new tyres on them. And as you can see, really clean. Rear parking sensors, just there, look. The colour's almost grey, it's like a slate blue stroke grey, it's a good colour. No nasties on the body, a couple of stone chips and bits and bobs that you'd expect, but nothing worth pointing out. Really nice sized boot, really deep. Got your parcel shelf, got your torch, if you're not familiar with these gizmos. Look at that, don't get that in an Audi. Self-charging. And interior boot light. Somehow fluffed it now, look, we should not bothered. Anyway, there you go. Spare wheel kit is under there. There is no actual wheel, it's just an inflatable thing. But there is room for a wheel if you want one. Got your privacy glasses, you can see there. Got your rear seats with your Isofix and the centre armrest. In the front, got these sport style seats. Very nice condition. In fact, they're immaculate with the active function, the lumbar, and I think this extends out somehow, not sure. Got your folding mirrors, your electric windows, auto lights and wipers, cruise control on the steering wheel. Your dual climate control, your media player in the centre. Just fumble around and get the key out of my pocket. As you can see there, mileage is 42566. And all starts perfectly. No warnings or anything. Radio's really good, as you can hear there. You can flick through the colours for your display up here, which is pretty nifty. I personally like white. Got your DAB radio. CD and auxiliary. All your bits and bobs there. Fully automatic with manual mode, sports mode, winter mode, electronic handbrake, cup holder. Obviously, DS4, you've got these sun visors that slide back, so you get the extra big screen. Really nice feature. And that's about it. Good car these, great value, loads of spec for the money. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.